How to get leads as a first time affiliate marketer. Simply do this, which is what I'm about to show you in this video. It's generating leads through a platform that I use, which is a simple copy and paste method. If you'd like to stick around and see what that's all about, feel free. And if it's something that you're intrigued by, then I suggest starting back at day one. Guys, this is a series that I do here on YouTube on My Lead Gen Secret. And it's an amazing emailing platform that we just copy and paste affiliate offers, put them in an email, and then put it in a mailing system that sends it out to leads that we receive every single day. Very simple method. Stick around, see how this works. If it's something you like, then again, go to day one. It'll show you how to get signed up and everything, and then start your journey through this process. I do want to mention that this is just a daily series that I do. I'm going to do this anyway every single day. So I figure I would just put it out here on YouTube, and you guys can just follow along until you feel comfortable enough to just start doing it on your own. If you'd like to continue to follow along and just do this with me day after day after day, then that's absolutely entirely up to you. And I thank you for being here and following along. Guys, let's get started. So here is my lead gen secret. I'm going to go ahead and get logged in here, and I'm going to head over to the mailing system, and this is where all of our leads are. So I'm just going to go ahead and select those just to kind of get things going and get me started. So now, before I can go any further, I'm going to need an email. Where do we get emails? Well, a couple places you can get emails. One is through the affiliate pages from our affiliate offers that we can go to. And one of the affiliate offers we are using is through a platform called Digistore. Now, this is free to sign up, doesn't cost you a thing at all. And to get signed up on MLGS, there is a one-time setup fee of $30, and then it's $30 a month thereafter. But here's the thing: for that $30, you're getting 3,000 leads a month. That's a lot of eyeballs to put on products that you send out every single day. So keep that in mind. $30, 3,000 people to look at your offer. And once you're in the Digistore, you sign up, get your affiliate ID created, yada yada. All through that. You want to go to the marketplace and then digital products. So you hit that little drop down arrow, and then we are working on online marketing e-business. So if you've been following along, we're almost at the end of say we're at day 4 of our offers that we've been promoting. So yeah, so this is where, so for example, if you go to, what are we working on? Oh, I almost forgot one thing. I'm going to change out, just want to filter it to the earnings cart visitor. That'll reorder this, and here we are, massive passive profit software. So affiliate support page, click on this. This is where all the emails are. Okay, and we are on email 4. So I have already copy and pasted mine, and I've put it into my Google Docs because this is where we can do our editing. So you'll copy and paste it into a Google Docs. That way we can edit this and refine it to our liking. And we will we will put our name in there. That's I usually start with that. When we scroll up, here's the heading, the intro, if you will. I'm going to go ahead, delete that. I'm going to scroll up to my previous email because I want this first name tag. So what that's going to do is every time we send this, when we send our email out, it will use the recipient's first name just by having this little thing in this little first name fix, first name tag, whatever you want to call it. Place that in there, and then this email now needs affiliate links. So as you see, so far we've done nothing but copy and paste stuff, right? That's how we're going to continue to do this. All right, yes, back to Digistore, and we're promoting massive passive profit. So we'll just hit the promote now, or it just may say copy promo link. I got to relog in. Give me just a second. It may have timed out. I've had this up and running for a little while in the background. So, all right, back to the marketplace. I got to go through all this again. Yay, fun. All right, so there's that. Okay, come on. Online marketing and e-business. Okay, still, all right. So scroll down. All righty, here we go. And we just hit this little copy button here, confirm, head back. All right, now the email says click here to sign up, and that is exactly where I'm going to put it. So I'm just going to highlight it, make it bold, right click on it, hit insert link, right click, paste, apply. And now that's ready to go. And if you click on it, it'll show you the link that you've just inserted. And now you can just click on that, and this will show you what the landing page will look like. So when somebody clicks on it, that's where they'll be directed to. The next thing that we'll do is add a postscript. Now, this is completely optional. You don't have to use a postscript. I particularly like to, because then I'm putting in 2 affiliate links into 1 email, because we can always send the 1 email per day through My Lead Gen Secret. And for this one, I have been promoting the AZ code. Again, promo, copy, confirm, head back over, and then let's see, my PS will say, congrats, you've been selected to access this cash making system. And that's where I'm going to put my link inside that. I'm just going to make that bold. Insert. And apply. All right. Now this email is ready to be placed in the mailing system. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the subject line, we're going to plug it in here, and then this is where the email will go. So let's go grab that. Okay. I'll grab the rest of the email here. So scroll down, hit the back arrow, that'll clear out the box, and then hit Control V, because right click and paste does not work. I'm going to change the size. I'm going to use 16 because it's a relatively small or short email. I'm going to hit perfect timing, and then you can place an image in here if you want to. Oop, didn't click. There we go. So you can put images in there, like maybe an image of yourself. So for example, I've got one, and it is right here. So this is where I get mine. This is in my Endless Income Academy account. I've mentioned this a few times, and there is a series on my YouTube channel, so feel free to check that out if you want to know more about that. This is for the more serious affiliate marketer. I mean, you can be a complete beginner, because this is a complete done for you system. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to stay focused on this one for the time being. And all right, so wherever you put your cursors, where that image, oh shoot, I don't know why it just did that. There we go. I just want to space, 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 space. There we go. All right, and then click on this image. This is, you'll put your URL in there, and you want to change out the okay, something. Let me cancel this because something didn't turn out right. All right, so it's going to go there. Go back to image. Again, I'm really not sure what happened. Get the link. It's copied. Go back to the mailing system. Click image. Right click, paste. There. Okay, so when you put the width in, it should automatically adjust the height, and it was not doing that, and it was making it all weird. Don't know why, but that's what it was doing. So then hit OK, and then there's the image. Then, of course, you can always place a link into the image, so when they click on it, it'll redirect them, to somewhere else. So you can actually get three affiliate offers in one email if you wanted to. I don't think I'm going to on this one. So I do need to always make sure you proofread. So once you get all that done, you can send this out. But I suggest going to preview and making sure everything is going to work okay. Because the last thing you want to do is send out an email and then these affiliate links aren't working. All right, everything is good here on my end. So I'm going to close that out and then send email. And then that's it. That's it. So if this is your first time here on this video, it's your first time, if you're looking to get into the affiliate marketing world, this is a great place to start out. It takes about 10 minutes a day. It only costs $30 a month, and it's slow, but it should it'll help get you going. It's a little something just to start creating a little bit of income on the side. Hey, it's not a get rich quick. If that's what you're looking for, this isn't for you. Go find another video that can tell you can make $5,000 in the next 24 hours, because that's not what this is. Not at all. but it's legit and it works. So take that of what you will. And yeah, so Endless Income Academy, real quick before I hop off here. Let's see, I'm doing pretty decent on time, 12 minutes. So like I said, 10 minutes a day, that's all this thing takes. Endless Income Academy, guys, look, if you're wanting to step things up and you want to be serious about being, getting into the affiliate marketing game, Endless Income Academy is a great, this is a great place to start, because there's so much of this is done for you. That's been its whole design. The two seven-figure earners that put this together were once like you and I, 9 to 5 blue collar workers, out there just grinding it out in the world and decided to make a change in their life. They've done all the trials and errors that come with, getting to the point to where they make the money that they do. And now they've created a platform to make it easier, to pave a way for the rest of us that are trying to get into affiliate marketing or any online business for that matter. This is a great way to go. So I just wanted to just mention that. And so if you're serious and you stumbled upon this video, I would like to just direct you to my YouTube channel to where you can, actually I'll do that right now. So that way you can follow a series that I have on there. It's a brief series. There's only 9 videos to get you going. Okay, so you'll go to my YouTube channel, go to the playlist, then here, an EIA series. And this is in order from bottom to the top. So whatever's at the top is going to be the most recent video, except this one instance that I did put the very last video that I made for this first. There really isn't a particular order that this goes in, but this is the order that I have put them out in. But I wanted to put number 9 as the first video. Just start here because this will tell you. This goes in pretty good detail on the whole compensation plan, and it is amazing. And you're not going to find anything else like this. And as a matter of fact, one thing that has been recently added to just make this so much more of a sweeter deal is now you can earn money in 7 days. Okay, that's 1 week, 7 days. And if that's something that piques your interest, then I want you to go through this, watch the compensation plan. Now, there hasn't been a video yet released on the new 7-day guarantee. Okay, but that will be coming out. So make sure that you follow along and hit that subscribe button and that notification. Okay. All right, guys. Yeah, so I just wanted to bring that to your attention. And if that's something that you're interested in, then please, by all means, check this out. This is really good stuff. And I feel that if you've never heard of it, and if you have and you're just on the fence, that I don't think you'll regret jumping into this at all. Yeah, let me back myself on out of here. All right, guys. Well, that's it. That's all I have to add for today. If you got anything out of this video, by all means, give me a like, subscribe if you want to follow, and you never know what's going to pop up in the next video. Sometimes I learn little extra tips and tricks here as I move along. There is a Facebook page dedicated to my lead gen secret. Now, you do have to be a paid member in order to get in. So you can't just hop in there willy-nilly. You do have to be a paid member. So get signed up, get started on MLGS. And if that's not your cup of tea, that's fine. But if it is, then there is a link in my description where you can go and you can get signed up right there. And there is a Google Docs link in there as well that has a bunch of emails. Feel free to use those. That's for you. That's for your use. Now you have to copy those and then paste them into your own Google documents, and then you can do all the editing and stuff. And insert your offer links in those emails. All right, guys, that's it for me. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.